Gosh, it takes me a long time. I'm sorry. This won't take as long. This is just building the circle that you're supposed to memorize. So anyway, this circle, and you're going to have the sheet of paper for this, is a 45 degree. And you're supposed to learn how to memorize this. So if you know this is 0 and this is 90. Anyway, this is how I do it. You all can come on with your own system. I always do the real easy angles first. This is 0, this is 90, this is 180, this is 270, of course that's 360. So I always do the 90 degree angles first. Then the 45s are just half of 90, so then I count by 45. So if this is 0, then half of 90 is 45, and I keep adding 45. Because I'm building a unit circle now. So there's, you know, the special right triangles, we learned 45, 45, 90s, and 30, 60, 90s. That's what we're doing. We're putting them in the unit circle now. Should have said that in the first place. Sorry. Okay, this is why my videos take so long. I forget to tell you things. Goodness. Okay, so we're putting the 45s in there now. And I kind of freehanded this, so sorry it's not to scale. So, counting the 45 degree triangles. See, look, if I pull this straight down, there's my 45 degree triangle. Okay, 45, 90, add another 45. This would be 135. You can use your calculator for this. Add another 45, there's my 180. Add another 45, there's my 225. Add another 45, that's 270. Add another 45, there's my 315. Add another 45, there's my 360. That's how you build a 45 degree triangle. Now, I have this separated into the 30, 60, 90 triangle. So if I build this one, I'm going to count by 30s. But again, I like to take care of the 90 degrees, the 180, the 270, and the 360 first. That way when I'm going around the circle, I know if I made a mistake or not. So now I'm going to count by 30s. So 0 degrees, 30, this is the easiest, 60, 90, you count by 30s, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240, 270, 300, 330, and then of course 360. So that, and look, if I draw a triangle, if I go straight down here, make a right angle, that's my 30, 60, 90 degree triangle built into the unit circle. And you'll probably have a quiz on building the unit circle. So then the last thing you're going to have to do, and this is what your homework is going to look like, you're going to put the whole thing together. So when you put the whole thing together, and guys, try to do this without looking. I mean, just try. You get it wrong, it's okay, but try to do it without looking. So you get a blank circle, and you build it however you want to. Again, my favorite way is to start with the 90, the 180, the 270, and the 360. And then I actually like to do the 45s. You may like to do the 30s. So I put the 45s in a green. I don't know if you can differentiate from this YouTube. So I do the 45s because they kind of break it down in the middle so I can see them better. So I got 45 plus 90 plus 45 is 135. I already got that. Plus 45 is 225. Plus 45 is 270. Plus 45 is 315. And then 360. Now I go to my 30s. So then I go 30. Remember, I already got this one, so I skip it. I got 60, 90, add 30, 120. Skip it, add 30, 150. I'm sorry, 150. Skip it, got 180, add 30, 210. Skip that one because you already have that's a 45. Add 30, 240. Add 30, 270. Add 30, 300. Add 30, 330. And you got your 360. And there it is. That's how you build a unit circle. That's only part of it. Wait till you see, we got ordered pairs that go on this, and we got radians that go on this. This is just degrees. Peace out.